Okay. There is a cat made into a horror. Okay, that thing is horrifying. I'm not rating the game when I haven't even played it. August 2003. Okay, I don't have enough time to read that. Now this game is called... There have to be ads in these stupid games. Anyways. Oh no. Survive. Oh god. What? Now, here's the thing. With horror, if you've ever seen any horror movies, the one thing you never do is open the frickin' door. So what am I gonna do? Open the damn door. Hello. A dark presence in your home. Do you, okay. Recite. Is it Pazlom, or is the P silent? May the Lord be with you, remember your faith. Oh, alright. See ya. Yeah, this thing is going extremely fast, so I cannot read very quickly. What the hell is going on? Now, if I've offended you from the way I try to pronounce that the Bible verse, I am not good at pronouncing words. And I'm also not good at reading, so I can't read fast either. Ew. Who's smearing shit on the walls? Okay, to open shit, do I just have to... Okay, what is happening? Feed the cat. What cat? What the hell was that? Where are you, kitty cat? Okay, what is going on? Oh, here's the popcorn. Eh. I made popcorn. No. Stop doing that. Now I have to find cat food or something. It says feed the cat. With what? Oh. That's kind of cute. I don't know what that thing at the window was, but it's creepy. Oh no. Who the hell? Sure. Alright. Clean the mirrors, fix the radio, play the guitar. I don't know how to play the guitar. Well, apparently in this game I do. Something's gonna pop out, isn't it? Because I don't do well in jump scares at all. I'm in... What's that? Oh, it's a light switch. Ew. Oh. Yeah, that's how you treat your guitar. You throw it at the ground. Now, I don't know what I'm looking for. Well, obviously I'm looking for a radio, but That's not a That's not a radio. Oh. Where the hell is damn radio? Stop doing that. That's a nice car. Now, that's the TV, I think. Is something gonna happen if I don't do all these things? 'Cause here's a story. My grandmother actually has an old radio that still surprisingly works. She had a whack of them and she gave me one of them, so thanks for that. I collect old shit because I don't know, I'm a hoarder, I guess, I don't know. But anyways, I hate that these doors open like that. It's like, all I have to do is look at them and they magically open. When an advertisement was playing, I heard a noise. I don't know if that's from this game or something is happening. I need to dig out my great-grandmother's old Bible. Where's that thing now? Who's gonna jump out this time? I didn't jump this time. Yes. Is there anything? Never look evil in the eye. Well, at least I can actually do all this stuff. Why does it all say a minute? Or is that a meter? Do I have to stay here for that to cook? Because one of these days the microwave is going to explode or something. Oh, hell no. Hell to the no. Something was knocking at the door. Hell no. No. Oh my god. I don't like this game. Get it over with. And go away. Just... See, this is one of my biggest fears of living alone, because eventually I'm obviously going to have to live alone. But there's a reason I sleep with a pocket knife on my nightstand every night. What? I just heard a growl. Okay, I don't like this. I'm serious, I really don't like this. Is that creature the thing spewing shit on my mirrors? Why can't I lock the windows? Listen, there's other... Oh, there's the radio. Should I really waste my time fixing these?
Time to go now, so we'll throw you the good numbers.
Can I call the military? Blow up my house? There's obviously something here that's not supposed to be. Clean the mirrors. I know where they are. There's one there. God, the birds are scaring the crap out of me. The walls are very thin here. At least where I'm right. That mirror is already clean. Or is that mirror ever dirty? God, I hate this game so much. I'm in a brain malfunction right now. What is going on? This whole time I have not seen a single cat. Is that thingy the cat? I highly doubt that, but you never know. I need a cross or something. Oh, I can open it. The cat's obviously not in the damn fridge. Why did I even bother to look in there? Why else would a cat be in the fridge? He's not in the garage, are you? Kitty cat, you in the garage? No? Okay. Is that a breaker? That little plushy thing is not my cat. It's not the cat, is it? It looks more like a kangaroo plushie. Hey, cat. Oh, no, it's a rabbit. What do I do with it? I think I'm still going to give this up. I know I'm possibly on the last night, but why am I still holding this rabbit? Oh no. Oh no. Does this look weird walking up to the door with a rabbit plushie? Take it. Something. Did someone enter your house recently? No. Matches with your neighbors. There is a sound. I don't know if that's in the radio. If that's that radio acting up again. Or it's my earphone. Whatever it is. Let me know if you guys hear like a high-pitched sound. It's starting to freak me out now because I don't know what's going on. It's actually, this game is spooky. And I don't really like horror games that much. The only reason I ever played the Granny games was because they didn't scare me as often. And this one I thought would not. And hold on, what? This is how you know I'm losing my mind because I am struggling to say. Somebody knocking at the door again. And if any of you guys are left home alone, I don't care if you think you're this big balls. You think, hey, I'm alone. I got a damn knife or some shit. I can survive something. Always be careful when you open the door. I sound like the dad, but it's true. Always make sure there's nobody. So what I would do is put one of those peephole thingies in the door so you could look through to make sure it's somebody you know. That's the good thing about the door here where I live, is that well, the door is glass. Obviously, the door is glass, but here's the other. Okay, that mirror is never. There's something I'm missing, isn't there? Because there's another mirror. Or the game is glitched. Why does it look like an old CRT TV? Okay, that sound happened again. I don't know if that's the radio. Is the radio making noises again?
Attention, all residents, there have been sightings. Run now! Run now!
Okay, that's it. I thought this game only lasted for 5 nights, but it's lasting to 6. Unless this game's just unlimited and it just keeps on going. I'm going to stop now before I have a heart attack. So, that's going to be all for me today. I'll see you in the next one.